Good morning, students. So today we'll solve this question. Question as usual I have posted in the group. Kindly go for it. Okay. So today question quickly I'll read for you. Sun and Moon were partners sharing profit and loss equally, and their position on 31st December 2016 as follows, given for you. Balance sheet is there. In that balance sheet, liability side we have a creditors and we have reserves and we have the capital of both the partner. Asset side we have a cash in hand, debtors, and in debtors they have deducted the provision for doubtful debts, and final debtors value is 18,000. With that only we will work out. And then we have a stock, we have a furniture, we have investment, we have plant. Okay, and then on the 1st of January 2017 the firm was sold to XYZ Company Limited on following terms and conditions. They have given you. Company took over the assets as under. Okay, so which and all assets company has taken and what price they have paid, each and everything is given. Only again the extra goodwill, which is not a part of your balance sheet, but they have paid the 6,000 rupees towards your goodwill. And then company took over the creditors at book value, so creditors 12,000. Purchase price received in the form of 3,900 equity share of rupees 10 each at par and balance in cash. Okay, and the investment were taken over by the Moon at the value of rupees 6,000. And then we have a realization expense rupees 500. Show the necessary ledger accounts to close the books of firm. Okay, so as in this question also we have a various assets, and for each assets value is given, and the liability for that also value is given for how much they are taking. The purchasing company, that is your XYZ Company Limited. So this is again the method of net asset method in terms of your purchase consideration. So first quickly let's start the calculation of purchase consideration. Okay, wait a second. Yes, so purchase consideration, net asset method, purchase consideration. First we will calculate. For that we have to consider first assets taken over by purchasing company, which is here XYZ Company Limited. Which and all assets they are taking? They are taking your debtors, which value, how much they have paid. Will take first stocks, then they are taking your furniture, then they are taking your plant, and then they are paying you for goodwill. For debtors they are paying 16,000. For furniture, okay wait, sorry, for stock they are paying 12,000. For furniture they are paying 7,000. For plant they are paying 17,500, and for goodwill they are paying 6,000. 16,000, 7,000, 12,000, 17,500. Okay, 6,000. So these all they are paying you 5 assets. So if I'll make the total, it will be 58,500. Now in this we need to deduct. Okay, we need to deduct the liabilities taken over by your purchasing company, which is here XYZ Limited. Okay, only one liability they are taking, that is creditors, and that also they are taking at a book value. Book value of the creditor was 12,000. So if I deduct 58,500 minus 12,000, if I'll do, I'll get the final amount as 46,500, and this will be our purchase consideration or purchase price or purchase consideration. And payment they are doing, okay, payment of purchase consideration, they are issuing 3,900 equity shares, rupees 10 each, so totally 39,000, and balance they are paying in terms of cash. So 46,500 minus 39,000, balance we will get hopefully 7,500. So if I'll make the total 46,500. So this is the calculation of your purchase consideration. Fine. Purchase consideration once we calculated, then we need to open the various accounts. Okay. So I have opened the realization account, which always we have to open at the time of closing the forms. Then I have opened the partners capital account, then I have opened the shares account, then cash account, and then purchasing company account. So very first step, as usual, we'll take all the items from balance sheet towards the realization. So first I'll take debtor, then stock, then furniture, then investment, then plant. These were the assets in the question in the balance sheet we had. Okay, now for debtor value is 18,000, for stock value is 10,500, for furniture value is 8,000, for investment value is 6,500, and for plant value is 20,000. Okay, coming to your liability side, by creditors value is 12,000. Okay, and purchase consideration is going to cover your debtor, stock, furniture, plant, and creditors. Okay, so who is paying purchase consideration? Your XYZ Limited. So by XYZ Limited, how much we have calculated the purchase consideration? We have calculated it 46,500. Okay, and then we have to go for the further information. Further information, what we had? We had the further information that investment were taken by the Moon. So partner 1, partner Moon, who is taking the investment. So I am transferring that investment value also in Moon's capital account. By Moon's account, how much he is paying for investment? He is paying for investment 6,000. And then we have that we had the realization expense which we need to pay. We have to pay. Okay, realization expense of rupees 500. Okay, now from balance sheet towards your partner's capital account. Okay, just I forget, this is sun, this is moon, particular sun, moon. Okay, so by balance brought down capital balance there 30,000, 20,000. Then they had the reserves also. Reserves we are having in balance sheet 3,000, and their ratio is equal. So equally, if I'll go 1:1, 1,500. Okay, then from your balance sheet, one item towards your cash account. To balance brought down again, value is 2,000. Balance sheet is empty now. Okay, and even from the further information, we have utilized the value of your various assets, how much they are paying. Okay, to calculate the purchase consideration, we have transferred investment value towards the Moon's capital account. We have taken the cash. Okay, now we have to first close your realization account. Okay, so realization account, just cross check. Debtor is here, stock is here, furniture is here, then your investment is here, then your plant is here, realization expenses you have paid, creditors are here, and then the purchase consideration you have received, and then investment you have transferred to the partner's capital account. So now finally we have to make the total. So if I make the total, we will get the total 64,500. Both sides 64,500, and this time also we have the profit. So entry will be to partners capital account, sun, moon. Total profit is your 1,000, and their PSR is 1:1. So that means each partner will have the realization profit of rupees 500. Okay, now this realization profit we have to transfer towards your partners capital account. So by realization, 500 to sun and 500 to moon. Okay, now we will little bit move towards the share account, because shares, your purchase price we have received in the form of 3,900, equity shares of rupees 10 each, that means total value is 39,000, and balance in cash, and that share we have to divide among the partners. Partners are who? Sun and moon. And as again in this question, in which ratio share should be divided among the partners not given, then we will follow the PSR only, and that was your equal ratio, 1:1. So take first the shares account. Who is issuing? The issuer, that is your XYZ Limited, how much totally they have issued, worth rupees 39,000 shares they have issued, and to whom we are distributing, we are giving to the sun and to the moon. In which ratio? In PSR, which is equals. If I'll go for the equal, they will get, both will get 19,500 and your shares account will get closed. Fine, 19,500 your shares value for both. Same thing, we have to make the entry in your partner's capital account also. Okay, before that, in realization related to your moon account, we had one entry, that was the investment taken. So let me first do the entry of that to realization, not in sun account, in moon account, 6,000. Now to shares in XYZ Limited. Okay, both is getting shares worth rupees 19,500, and final settlement we need to do in terms of cash. Okay, so let us make the total to check out where we are getting the balancing figure. Okay, so quickly to cash balancing figure. Okay, so if I'll make sun credit side 32,000, debit side 19,500, so cash balance 12,500. Moon credit side 22,000, debit side, how much we have? Debit side we have 25,500. That means we don't need to give him cash, we need to collect cash from him. So here nothing. This side again will get the cash balancing figure. From your moon we are going to collect 3,500. Okay, and with this your account get closed. For your sun total will be 32,000 and for your moon total will be 25,500. Both sides same total. Okay, so this is your partner's capital account also get closed. To sun we need to pay 12,500 cash, and from moon we need to take 3,500 cash. Okay, now the cash account. So from realization, entry for the cash account. Okay, realization expense, so counter entry by realization. Okay, how much is the realization expense? 500. Okay, and then while calculating your purchase consideration, we have seen balanced. Okay, balance 7,500 they have paid in terms of cash. So who has paid? XYZ Limited. How much paid? 7,500. So your balance will increase, cash balance will increase. And from this, okay, we have to pay cash as final settlement to sun, that is 12,500. I am taking from a partner's capital account. Okay, the counter entry. And from moon we need to collect the cash 3,500. Okay, both side total 13,000. Cash account balance tally, that means the solution is somewhere correct. Now the XYZ purchasing company account, and as we know not much we have to do. Okay, just what? One counter entry from your realization account related to your how much total was your purchase consideration. So to realization, purchase consideration was worth rupees 46,500. In which terms we have paid this? We have paid this in terms of shares and in terms of cash. Shares, how much we have paid? Worth rupees 39,000. Cash, how much we have paid? 7,500. Total is 46,500. 46,500 your purchasing company account also got closed. So this is your full solution. I guess blurred, so I'll post the pic of solution page also. But first you try by your own self and then go for video. So for the day, thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy.